It's a little breezy. It's coming, looks like it's coming directly from the north. That's the north, guys. And the lake points to the south. And there's the flag. It's blowing, but it's blowing not that bad. So again, I'm gonna hand launch it first and then power up. Here goes. Launch. Oh yeah, this thing is just amazing now. New prop adapter, new set screw, and the rest is history. Okay, no power, just glide. And I got a full-size 2200 35C discharge battery from Motion RC. It's pretty old, but it's still okay for the Radian, guys. Again, the sun is to my left, which is west. I'm crossing the runway. As you can see, I'm going to point her towards against the wind, and not bad. You would think there's a lot of turbulence down at the ground, but it's pretty good, and it's got a lot of power. I don't know what that bird is trying to do over there. I'm not doing that on purpose. Oh gosh, if it's not one thing, it's the other. Okay, here we go. Loop, no power loop. Okay, not bad. Well guys, I'm here to enjoy the afternoon. It's just amazing. A second day in a row, second afternoon in a row after work. So can't beat it. Look at that. All right, coming in. Not gonna hand catch it. Whoa! Yes, I saved it. I saved it from a big bang on the nose. Oh man, Carlos, be careful. All right, loop. That's a powered loop. See how nice it is instead of a no power loop. Just got to get some airspeed. Yeah, look at that. The original Radian is amazing, guys. I mean, they produce what, 2 other models this same size. I'm not going to even mention the 2.0 meter one. No, that's a real large one and heavy. Look at how the wings flex, and that's per design, and no issues. Look at that. It's buffety up there now. And actually, I didn't do that. I didn't power it up. Look at that. Just amazing. I'm gonna wait until it dies down, and then I'm trying to hand catch it again. All right. There you go. Time to hand catch this thing. All right, come on, baby. You can reach me. There you go. Nope, it died off. That's okay. She landed purty. Well, it's kind of buffety for a hand catch. I don't have my oral surgeon in today. But guys, this is amazing. What little bit of maintenance you could do, and you keep this thing flying. for probably indefinitely. All you got to do is scrounge around for spare parts on eBay and other for sale venues. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, power down the video, and I'm going to go ahead and fly a little bit more. I've got lots of juice left, so this is good. This is real good. Yeah, it's a little bit more buffety than yesterday afternoon, but nothing that you can't handle with a 3-channel model such as the Radian. Well, guys, this is all she wrote. It is a different kind of peace when you come and enjoy the whole club for yourself.